Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
What is going on, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about toys, like paper towel rolls. Anyways, let's head straight to the video. So what exactly are we going to be doing? We are going to be making toys out of these. So basically, these are just like for the paper towels. So you take these. For the first toy, you're going to take it, okay? You're going to put slits in them, okay? Like this, okay? Okay, you see? So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Then you just want to push them like this, as so. And you want them to look like this. So then you should have something that looks like this.
See, normally a rabbit would attack it, but when your rabbit looks like this and is really fat, they won't. So Fat Boy, he has decided not to attack it, but I'm sure your rabbit would. So you should probably still make it.
Next, you're going to get another one, and then scissors, and start cutting as so.
But this creature's favorite thing in the world is the furniture. Oh, how he loves to ruin the expensive furniture. But when you make toys designed specifically for him, no, he likes to sit there and stare at it. But when it comes to the furniture, oh boy.
Next, you're going to get another one, and then scissors, and start cutting as so. In the end, you should have something that looks like this. Something for your rabbit to enjoy and love.
Again, my rabbit is fat and decides not to eat it. The pillows either. Arabic of the video, and I'm going to tell you how to say fat. It's nasir. So if you want to call someone something, call them nasir. And yeah. If you don't like and subscribe, then your favorite TV show will be canceled tomorrow at 3:24 p.m.